Rising insurance premiums have added more worries for homeowners. Insurance companies attribute the higher fees to climate risks, severe weather and higher costs. But an ABC investigation has revealed that the younger you are, the more you pay for insurance. National Consumer Affairs reporter Michael Atkin has this special report.
I really like the view from the back, looking out over the paperbark trees.
Tara Madison's home in Grafton, in the Northern Rivers region of New South Wales, is her sanctuary.
The most important thing to me is that I have a home, because lots of people at the moment are struggling.
But insuring her biggest asset is becoming a serious challenge for the Wiradjuri woman. Her premium with NRMA has risen to almost $4,300 a year.
I need to find the money somewhere else, and that's difficult to do.
What most people like Tara don't know is insurers aren't just considering the home you want covered. Your age can also mean significantly higher premiums, just like it does for health and car insurance.
The ABC has obtained online quotes with major insurers for homes across the country. We found 25 to 30-year-olds are paying between $150 and as much as $490 extra with Budget Direct, NRMA and QBE, while millennials aged 30 to 40 are spending between $350 to $500 more with Suncorp and Allianz. Overall, younger people are paying more than those over 50.
I had no idea that my age was relevant.
I was shocked to see that the 25 to 40 year old bracket is disproportionately being slugged extra $400 to $500 a year.
Well, I think there are some insurers that may have a view around that. They may look at a range of factors, including income level.
I think it's extremely urgent.
The cost implications for younger homeowners are evident. It's making the financial pressure even worse.
I'm hearing concerns from lots of young families that are either underinsuring or abandoning home insurance altogether because of the rising cost of premiums.
Rising home insurance premiums are being felt heavily here in Grafton. Part of the charm is affordable housing close to the Clarence River, but that brings with it the risk of flooding.
Unfortunately, the Clarence Valley is rated in one of the top 3 regions for natural disasters. If you're in that postcode, you suffer the consequences.
In early 2022, there was devastating flooding across northern New South Wales. The damage to homes in Grafton was largely mitigated by the river's levee system, which Tara Madison relies upon because she can't afford to include flood insurance on top of her already expensive cover.
It makes me feel stressed, because the reality would be that I would be paying a mortgage for a property I couldn't live in.
The key inputs that are calculated on your premium have all been rising. For the last 3 years, we've seen a 40% increase in the cost of rebuilding homes, and that has been on top of some of the largest extreme weather events. And globally, our reinsurance costs have gone up.
People wanting to challenge an insurer's age-based pricing can make a complaint to the Ombudsman, the Australian Financial Complaints Authority. Lawyer John Beryl says an insurer can only make a customer pay more if it has data showing they are riskier than others.
The anti-discrimination laws are serious stuff, and insurance companies are bound by them. It's a specific obligation to not discriminate on the basis of age unless you have this data.
All 5 insurers declined to be interviewed. Each company rejected criticisms of its age-based pricing and maintained it was justified. Several insurers said their data clearly showed customers over 50 were lower risk, which is why they're charged less.
We want people to be insured. It's a good thing, but there's no accountability for what individual insurance companies are charging.